morning, guys. I'm glad you're all here. Thank you for joining me once again. If you're not a follower, please hit the bell and subscribe and join our community. Late last night at about 8:40 p.m. local time, within the new Madrid seismic zone, there was a magnitude 2.6 earthquake according to USGS. Using the swarm program you can see down here at the bottom, it was actually larger, more likely a 2.76, and I greatly decreased the signature of this earthquake. It was probably closer to a 3. This earthquake once again was tectonic in nature, meaning that the tectonic plates were moving. And let me extract that and make it bigger. See the points at the top? Now there's some that are a little bit rounder. That would be volcanic. And let me show you something. Using Google Earth, here's the location of the earthquake, the 2.6. This is in the New Madrid seismic zone. Also the Wabash Valley seismic zone that I got drawn out in red. Down over here, and I've talked about this in the past, there has been volcanic eruptions. There was dike intrusions where a crack opened up in the earth and lava came out, and I got some areas that I found of past flows of lava drawn out here in green. Looks like there might be another one down over here. Right there. That's volcanic rock. But there's also a, let's bring it out, another area down over here called Hicks Dome. This is an area of a volcanic eruption. See the shape of it? This is something I think about areas where there has been past volcanic eruption as our Earth's magnetic field weakens. And one day we will have a magnetic pole reversal. It's not just going to flip overnight. It's going to be like the divots on a golf ball. The magnetic field be north and south and different points on the earth. The last time that happened, our magnetic field did not settle to where it is now, but bounced around for anywhere between 2 and 10,000 years. Off over here, drawn out in yellow, is the St. Francis Mountains. It was formed by volcanic activity. Eons ago, this whole area was under the seas, the oceans. And this area was like a little island in the middle of the ocean. Scientists believe that it looked like, much like Florida. A tropical area of lots of plants and different types of wildlife. And then later, as the continents moved, we got the mountain building of the Ozarks. The Ozarks cover about, 3 different states: Missouri, Illinois, parts of Kentucky, and Arkansas. Actually 4, maybe 5 if you want to add in Tennessee. So if you look at the sharp tips, that's tectonic. But then we got the rounded tips. That is volcanic. See that there? USGS provides us with the different types of earthquakes. The top here is tectonic. I'll make it bigger. And then we have shallow volcanic earthquakes. Let me bring this in. See how it's sharper at the top for tectonic and rounder for volcanic. When the Earth's magnetic field flipped around the last time, and between the time that it was deciding where it was going to settle, there was great earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, adverse weather. It changed the weather patterns of the Earth. And of course, the Earth's magnetic shield was down and more radiation was coming in. I'll give you links down below for all these articles, but here it talks about the St. Francis Mountains that were formed. Rock records show that it was extended as an island in the ancient seas. During most of this period, the Ozarks were more than likely like the Florida Everglades that we know as today. USGS gave this earthquake, an intensity level of 4. Only, 15 people said they felt this earthquake so far, late last night. But it would have been felt indoors by many, outdoors by a few. At night, if they were sleeping, they would have been woken up. Dishes, windows, doors would have been rattling, and automobiles would have been noticeably rocking. So it was reportedly felt in Evansville. I can't read what that is. There was another one up here. Venance, intensity level 2. Intensity level 4, where the earthquake occurred, of course. 9 responses from over here. Where is that? Let's see. Intensity level 3. And also 3. So let's zoom into where this occurred. There is a few homes over here. Not a lot. I noticed this pond here. Yeah, I'm not surprised because, because of the tectonic activity. And ancient blowholes where sand came out. And then there's another home over here by Lost Creek. It says a lot of farmland. Yeah, see, we got more blowholes from areas from probably when the new Madrid shook up. And there was a lot of blowholes over there. Yeah, I can't tell if that was blowholes or if they're, yeah, it looks like they're just removing sand from that location. And there's a cemetery over here. Kitty Sweden Cemetery. Alright, we'll bring it back out to where that earthquake was at. Right there. And we got some more down here. Probably just about everybody, maybe. It's got a low population. Yeah, so they all felt it. Like I said, it was stronger than what USGS is reporting. This whole area is supposed to have the potential of severe winds, hail, and tornadoes today. And they're warning people to prepare. Don't be a looky-loo looking out for tornadoes. Don't forget to have things prepared for your pets, a box maybe with extra food and water for them. It said here to be aware of lots of tree damage. Evidently many of the trees in that area are diseased. Yeah, and they have the potential of falling on your homes, on your cars, and on you. So if you were in this area and you felt this earthquake, I would like to know what it felt like. What did it sound like? What was the motion? What direction was the motion? How did your pets react? Please put all that information down below. And I want to thank you for following me. If you're not a follower, once again, please join us. And I'm also on Patreon if you wish to support my work. And I want to thank all of you that do. Boy, a big shout out to my Patreon followers. And of course, as always, please stay safe. And I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Bye.